We officially bought Mansfield Speedway. Yeah, we're gonna do some pretty neat upgrades to this thing. And see it out here, like it's insane to see what this place has turned into. I mean, obviously just nature taking it back over. It's sad, but also exciting. We're trying to build this to be, diversified between car cultures and other things we're doing. We'll talk about that more in the future about what we're doing here for racing too. All the way down to that house, that's all ours. Wow. There was something here once.
To the side of the grandstands, it's essentially a death walk right now.
They believed in what we had to kind of transform this property. We're very excited to work on that vision and that dream, but it's just been cool to work with somebody on this who wants to see it come back. Yeah, right now you pretty much need a tetanus shot to get around here. So I said I would never buy a racetrack, but this place is so much more than that. They wanted people to come in and give back to the community and have a place to make more memories, and we're gonna go make sure we deliver on that.
What once was just a thought, a dream, an attempt at what first seemed completely impossible, has now made it full circle and completely revived. Mansfield Speedway, a once abandoned NASCAR track and racetrack in general, is now officially alive, and today's YouTube video will go into the history books as it stands to have its first race car take a lap in over 7 years. You cannot miss this, so stay towards the end of the video to see how this racetrack comes back to life and all of the upgrades that we've made to it this far. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and turn on post notifications because this is the first video of many to come for the new era of the Mansfield Speedway.
I found the hole.
So grab that tool and stick it in that tire. There you go, you did it.
Yeah, we're about to go back on the track to go pack it in some more. Get some sprint cars and late models on here tonight. Might have a few compacts and try to work it in a little bit more. But this week, to get it in shape, I think 45,000 gallons of water, like a ton. We've had a very, very unforgiving winter. So tonight's gonna be good, and it'd be nice to finally turn some laps around the Mansfield Speedway. Taking this thing around? Come on! Damn, man!
Wow. What a monster. Just a quick disclaimer, what you're about to see is a quickly prepped racetrack with a tight window and only 30 minutes before rain was going to hit it. So if you notice the surface is a bit dusty, that's why. Otherwise, one of the next YouTube videos will have an update on our Jumbotron. As you can tell, it's alive, and this is just a quick sneak peek, but stay tuned in future videos.
Yes! 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 Finally! I got him to do it! I got him to do it! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bro, Bob is finally on the screen. That's crazy.
Oh my god!
Alright, see? This is unbelievable.
Out here for our first race. Yeah, definitely. You'll be here with us this weekend, right? Yeah. We're following. Oh, yeah, you're full fast. Yeah, full fast. Good deal.
place is alive again.
It's alive. Well, I've never seen it live before, so first time ever. Pretty damn cool.
Jumbotron's on, and now this.
Yeah, pretty damn cool.
You excited?
Yeah, fixed spot in turn 2. I'm always perfectionist, but excited to see his thoughts there. We left it a little dry for tonight to keep the track slow, but yeah, pretty cool.
Nice.
We got a few whoop-de-doos, yeah.
Once we get that figured out coming out of 2,
Two's the worst
it'll
spot.
be great. I mean, it's fast.
What are your thoughts about it?
Man, it's wide. You can drive through anywhere here. I mean, we're barely whipping.
Yeah.
I mean, just trying to obviously keep it under control.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I mean, obviously we're a little slow, we're a little dusty right now, but
The wall's nice and bright, everything. It all looks good.
talk to me about your like turn 3 down there, because like we completely redesigned like the entire thing to be like just trying to have options down there.
Yeah, there's a lot of options down there. I didn't get to race here before it shut down because, I mean, my uncle was out here. My dad obviously raced here and everything like that. But man, it's really, it races, like I know it's going to race wide.
Yeah.
There's going to be options top, middle, bottom. And especially with this clay, even with how it is right now, just throwing it together, there's a lot of grip out there.
I mean, we didn't have a racetrack 2 days ago, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, just the way it is right now. I mean, once the track's smoothened out and you guys get it widened out even more, because I mean, you're gonna still have the crumbs up top and stuff like that. Once you get it smoothened out, this is gonna race really well.
It felt alive. I was up there. I had to beat
The Jumbotron.
I had a bead of sweat when I was up there screaming. That rolled down my back into my butt crack. And that's what I look for. That's when you know that it's happening. I was up there screaming, had the opportunity to do it for the first time at Mansfield Speedway. And I was spewing nonsense, but I still got to scream.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it has made it full circle. A huge thank you to all the support that we've gotten throughout this entire revival process. To see the first day that we came here, it completely abandoned, completely broken down. You can see our first ever YouTube video is playing on the Jumbotron right now. To what it is right now is genuinely breathtaking. And to think that we did it in just such a short time is another level of disbelief. I really can't believe that I'm standing right here right now, genuinely an entire year later after we decided to buy this place and revive it. There I am again. You know, this has been a journey. This has been a journey for all of us, and it wouldn't have been ever possible without all of your support, all of your following, all of your comments, all of your stories, all the things that you guys have told us over the last few months that has now gotten us to this point. And I just can't imagine what May 2nd, 2026 is going to look like. Comeback Classic. If you haven't gotten your tickets already, go to thespeedway.com. But to be a part of the project like this is truly amazing. So that concludes this YouTube video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mansfield Speedway and Matt Tifft, because this is just the beginning of what we have planned for this racetrack. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.